Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You decide to pick up the iPhone 14 Pro Max and you want to protect your beautiful investment. Look no further, I have a case from Supcase to do that exact job. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this case to me for a review. This is their Unicorn Beetle Pro case, and I think it has MagSafe technology in there, which we will find out in just a minute. But look at that purple. I said blue, but look at that purple. I think this is the favorite color out there, or the best color. If you have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, let me know what color you got, what size, and do you think the purple is the best, or do you think something else was the best? Again, nice presentation from Supcase. I like the new case designs. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Let's see what you get. What is this? What is that? What? That's a little kickstand? So it comes with a little holster, a little holder there. And they get you a lot in there. It comes with the pre-installed screen protector. And does this just lock down some kind of way? Oh. So you can lock it down like that. So this lets you open it. So that acts like a little kickstand. That's not bad. And then if you want to just lock it, you just put it down. Alright, so let me take this off. So you want to take it off from here. Alright, so this is the second part of the case. It does have the MagSafe in there. Which I think I like this color too. It matches the phone almost. Little brand in there. I love the extra grip that they have been doing on the sides. They have a little flap for the slider, which we'll test out in a minute. The power button is ridged, but then you have all that grip, a little brand in there. Again, you have the cover for the the lightning bolt cover, the USB Type-C, not yet Apple. Then you have the top. Here's the only thing I would recommend, and they need to follow other manufacturers, is give us a choice to have this plastic one on there. Now, you can punch it out. I will not do it on this video, but you can punch this out. I have done it in the past, and you can just use your regular screen protector. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to install it in the top. And then what you want to do, make sure it's in there. What you want to do is start from the bottom down here and basically just work it around. You just want to make sure that you get it to fit. And it goes in there pretty good. Now, will this protect your iPhone? Yes, this will protect. Does it add bulk? Yes, it does. But look at it. It's a great case. Look at the power button there. All right, so let's go over the case itself. So that is the back. Do you get the camera protection? Yes, you do. Also, you don't have to worry about the front because you have the plastic screen protector. But even if you took it off, you don't have to worry about scratching up your display either. The power button is great, easy to press. So the volume rocker is easy to press again. The alert slider is easy to get to. Not too bad. Touch sensitivity is good with the screen protector on there, and I have another screen protector too. I just don't like touching the plastic, but it works. That extra grip is great too there and on there. yes, this will add some bulk too. What do y'all think about this kickstand? That's actually pretty cool. I didn't ask you, Siri. So you can watch your favorite YouTuber just like that. Can you do wireless charging? We'll find out in a minute. Everything at the bottom lines up. You have the port there. Now, Supcase makes some of the better cases out there, especially for drop protection. Here's the little holster. And yes, it holds it in there too. And I know this can act like a kickstand too, some type of way. So, I don't know. I don't really use the holster anymore. I don't really have a use for it. But if you do, it fits fine. Now, here's the MagSafe part of it. And let me get that set up. Alright, so here's my little plug. Yes, it is MagSafe. It does charge. The magnet is pretty good on there. It's actually one of the... Man, that's actually pretty good. It definitely just fits in the kickstand area. So it does do the MagSafe charging. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon, like I said earlier. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.